Welcome to a quick and easy tutorial on how to apply Foxy eyelashes. Often ladies apply too much or not enough glue. This is the perfect amount. Coat along all the band of the eyelash. Use tweezers to hold the eyelash in the middle. Looking down into a mirror, place directly on the center of your eyelash. Then grab the outer ends and pull gently. Place right up against the roots of your natural eyelashes, making sure the glue is on your skin. Ensure that there are no gaps between the false lash and your natural eyelashes. Press the false lash together with your natural eyelashes. They should look continuous and joined up. How does it look? Press the eyelashes upwards on the outer edge so it lifts the look of the eye. Check the right way around before applying. It takes a bit of practice, but you can do it. I would recommend that you practice until you feel confident. There are different types of false eyelashes. Find the ones that suit your style. Foxy eyelashes makes you look sexy and glamorous. Want to see different types of eyelashes? Let me know in comments. See description for more information.